in the bedroom there was a normal bathroom door, and that opened inwards, stopping a lot of room in this small bathroom. So what did we do? We installed the sliding door on the outside, which runs on runners up there and a track down there. Closes nicely and nice and neat. When it's painted up, it'll look great. So now when we step in the bathroom, there's nothing going to get in the way, no door lying in the middle of the space. And it will feel a hell of a lot bigger in here. So what's left in here to do? Some grouting. Still grouting on the floor. Toilet, basin, mirror, and shower screen. That's what's left. Shaping up very nicely.